This very handsome guy is Quinn. He is only 3 years old, and as you can see, he knows how to sit very well for treats. He also knows down. We think he knows give paw or shake, just as a very smart, well-trained boy. If you wanted to teach him something in his new home, we're thinking he'd be pretty trainable because he does love those treats and takes them nicely. He also prefers to go to the bathroom outside, and Quinn does walk very nicely on his leash. He is a very affectionate, friendly kind of guy. He's been enjoying some loving, loves to be petted and scratched, and that tail will just wag away. He's got a beautiful white tip on it. It's just like a little flag. He also has a playful side. He's been smelling and sniffing and exploring everything around here and just having fun. So he'd be good in an active home, someone who can take him for those nice long walks and let him see what's going on. He's just such a happy, friendly guy who makes someone a terrific new pet.